Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to talk about the threefold fee increment that the government, through the Ministry of Education, together with their own discussion with the previous MP sitting that was held in the parliament. We as the student leaders, more so from the University of Nairobi, we find the idea of threefold fee increment to be barbaric and unconstitutional and unallowed. In fact, during this time when we have a global pandemic with us, whereby most families are unable even to bring something on the table for their families. Here the government comes in talking about increasing fee from 16,000 to 48,000. It's not possible, and it has never happened in history, more so in a developing country like Kenya. On behalf of the students we represent from the various universities, and I'm glad us from the University of Nairobi have taken the lead to make sure that this unconstitutional thing that the government is pushing of fee increment must stop, and instead we call for the government to let HELB loans to be as a grant, so, since it is usually budgeted for in every financial year. We therefore give directive to the government. We are giving the government, yesterday we sat down as the student leaders of the University of Nairobi and gave the government a directive of within 7 days they should go back to the drawing board and clear the media, clear the air that the idea of fee increment by threefold should stop with immediate effect. Since most parents have lost jobs during this COVID-19 pandemic, there's no payment, there's no source of income for many families, because most Kenyans come from middle class families, humble background families, and most of them entirely depend, most students entirely depend on help for upkeep, even for school fees. So the idea of the government increasing fees must come to an end with immediate effect. Instead, the government should consider advancing all university students help as a grant and not as a loan, or instead, immediately comrades finish university, they should be allocated jobs so that they can settle that debt in case it is not allowed to be a grant. But we propose that help should be as a grant, because we all pay tax to the Republic of Kenya and we are native citizens of this nation. Therefore, as earlier stated, fee increment should not be allowed and we shall not allow. Said and done, we are looking forward to a positive report from the Ministry of Education, because it was a good coincidence when we as the student leaders of various universities could showcase on media yesterday, the same time the CS of Education was in Kericho, and it could also reiterate on the fact that fee increment is against the welfare of various families and university students in the Republic of Kenya across the country. Having said so, we look forward for positive feedback from the government in regard to the threefold fee increment. Hashtag say no to fee increment. Bye bye. This is Kosgei Liosi, student leader at the University of Nairobi.